What's up, everybody? Just giving you a little update. When's a good time to invest in yourself? Right now, I can't do much out here. We're having an old-fashioned winter. We just got hammered with a snowstorm. Started yesterday morning. It turned to ice. It was actually nice for a little while. It was kind of rainy. It was 32 degrees. And the rain stopped, and it was really pretty nice out here. And then it just dropped, and everything is all ice underneath. I'll show you on the tractor. But everything started melting, and now it's all ice. Everything's ice. And then it turned to snow, and it's been snowing all night. We got probably, I don't know, probably 6 inches maybe. It's not terrible, but you know, it's frustrating. The cows are getting beat up. That's the warm, cold, and then real cold and wind. It's been nonstop wind. There's only been a handful of days that it hasn't been some kind of breeze out here. And you know, it's funny, you talk to people that are not farmers, and they're like, "Oh, it's not too bad." You know, it's yeah, it is, dude. I'm out here every day. It's freaking windy. So it's supposed to get windy this afternoon. Maybe power outages with the ice on the power lines, but just wanted to make a quick video. Really got nothing to talk about other than I've been doing online classes and investing in myself and learning about Bitcoin and XRP, and still investing in those and other things. And been up to Stonehouse a little bit, and that's it. That's all you can do right now. Because we don't have a shop really, so I can't work on things, but it's just too cold to work on the Airbnb out here, and that's what I'm doing. So I hope you all are safe. Like I said, we're changing the name of the channel, so watch out for that, please. And hit the like and subscribe, and I'm off to my tax appointment. Get my taxes done. So with that, I love you. I will see you on the next one. Get to know a farmer.